Hello viewers, in this video we are going to study octal to hexadecimal conversion. We have been given with the number 712 to the base 8 is equal to what to the base 16. So let us see the procedure in the form of steps. Alright, step 1, write the binary equivalent of each octal digit. Step 2, regroup them into 4 bits from the right side with zeros added if necessary. Step 3, convert each group into its equivalent hexadecimal digit. Now let us come back to the given example. So 712 to the base 8 is equal to what to the base 16. So here first step says that write the binary equivalent of each octal digit. So here I have to write 7 and I have to convert this one into the binary equivalent number. Here 7 can be represented as 111. So we have to write 111. Next 1 can be written as 001 and 2 can be written as 010. Next step 2 says regroup them into 4 bits from the right side with zeros added. So here we have to write all of these in sequence. I have to write first 111, then 001, then 010. Next second step says regroup them into 4 bits from the right side. So I have to group 4 bits together from the right hand side. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So again I'm going to group these 4 bits together. We will be remaining with only 1 bit. So for that I need to add additional zeros on the left hand side. These are called leading zeros in order to make a group of 4 bits. So next we need to write all these 4 bits group into its hexadecimal equivalent number. 0001 represent 1. Here 1100 represent what? Here you can see the binary digit, this 0 whose positional weight is 2 to the power 0. Next 2 to the power 1 into 0 plus next bit 1 whose positional weight is 2 to the power 2 into 1 plus next bit is 1 2 to the power 3 into 1. So further you simplify, 2 to the power 3 gives me 8, 8 ones are 8 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4, 4 into 1 is 4 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 into 0 is 0 plus 2 to the power 0 is 1. Anything raised to 0 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0. So here 8 plus 4 gives me 12. So here I can write this one as 12. Similarly 1010, you can see the positional weight of this bit 0 is 2 to the power 0 plus 1 in its positional weight 2 to the power 1 into 1 plus 2 to the power 2 into next 0, and here we have got one more bit 1 whose positional weight is 2 to the power 3 into 1. So you can see 1010 we have written. Next 2 to the power 3 is 8, 8 ones are 8 plus anything into 0 is 0 only, so we'll write 0. 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power 0 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0. So here 8 plus 2, so that gives me 10. So here I'm going to write 10. Now I'm going to write therefore 712 to the base 8 is equal to, I can write this one as it is. I cannot write 12 and 10 as it is. So here we already know that the hexadecimal number after 9, 10 can be represented as capital A. So here you can see B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, F is 15. Now you can see 12 represent what? 12 represent C. So I'll write C, 10 represent A. So that is A. So 1 CA to the base 16. So I'm going to give you one more example of this kind so that you can solve and tell me the result. Here I'm going to write 6, 1, 5 to the base 8 is equal to what to the base 16, and please let me know the answer in the comment box. Thank you.